Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's technical point is blood pressure. Now, blood is a fluid connective tissue that contain a transfer of oxygen to the all over the body parts, tissue, organs. The they are leaving this oxygen, and component of the blood is plasma, RBC, WBC, platelets. Now, the uh, blood pressure is the pressure that they contains two types. One is a hypertension, and second one is a hypotension. Hypertension. Now the blood pressure is more forcefully to the arteries wall, and they get systolic and diastolic pressure is more. That's called as a hypertension, and hypotension is the low of blood pressure to the arteries. This is the systolic and diastolic pressure is low. This is called as the hypotension. Now, hypertension is measured in the mmHg, millimeter for mercury. This is unit of the count of the blood pressure. 120 by 80 is a normal hypertension. Now, hypertension is arises most of the factors: stress, physical, physical, physically, diet, uh, some genetic disease, uh, cholesterol store in the blood vessel. That's the blood is not a proper flow. The pressure is arises. These are one condition. The cause of the heart disease and hypertension. This is the condition that hypertension is arises in humans organisms. Now, blood pressure is also most of the function. First one is transfer of oxygen, nutrient, proteins. Most of the amino acid, they are transferred into the body. Oxygen, they are transferred the body of tissue, organs, cells. They can nourishment and cell division, growth of the cell. That's they are important for the transportation. Second one is the waste removal. Blood pressure contain a waste removal process carry. Third one is now, blood pressure contains different diagnoses are also present. Beta blockers, ACE inhibitors. They are the medication that cure the blood pressure and normal the systolic and diastolic pressure into the arteries wall. Now, during pregnancy, most of the women facing the hypertension problem, the fetus and mother, they are also suffering into the hypertension. Mothers, gastrointestinal pressure, hypertension, they are arises to the woman in pregnancy. The hypertension is also known as the silent killer. Now, hypertension contains not the symptoms are not not get absorbed in physically. They are blood pressure is high. To cure the blood pressure, some points: daily exercise, balanced diet, proper physical maintain, no stress in mind, keep smiling, and get proper meditation, yoga, and most of the things they are be natural eating, natural food eat. This is the way the hypertension is low and get safe. Thank you.